Right, so this is just a quick update on the progress of my XMugen launcher using XBMC as the front end. In this preview I have added game pack enabler, so essentially you can come in here and enable game packs or disable game packs. You can disable the skin animations and the video preview. So currently there's 9. You can add more if you wish, but that's easy enough. It's just an XML file you add. We actually need to edit a few of them, but it's straightforward. Right, so here I've got Mortal Kombat 2, Mortal Kombat 3, Ultimate Mortal Kombat 3. Mortal Kombat 1 is game pack 1. You can't disable that. So there's always one game pack enabled. And I've got Street Fighter Alpha 2 as game pack 5. Now, I created the skin for Street Fighter Alpha 2. The Mortal Kombat versions are using the images from a Vision game pack that I downloaded. So I don't take credit for those. I didn't have any background, so I just used those ones. So anyway, I'll just show you. Actually, I'll turn this down. I'll show you Mortal Kombat 1 and then I'll enable the other ones. So as you see, animated, another one over here will be animated. There's a footer image that can run along the bottom, the full length of the bottom, by 140 pixels. There's the banner here, and there's images that fall down. You can have blood or bits of grass or leaves, as an example. Now, this is what a game pack that hasn't been installed looks like. So if you enable one that doesn't have any, well, there is no game pack, then you'll get this screen, which is coming soon. So you press the black button to get into settings. So we'll enable all these. Go to Mortal Kombat 2, video plays, character comes in, it's animated. Mortal Kombat 3. Ultimate Mortal Kombat 3. Now I'd like also put, I've modified the XBMC source so that XMugen skin is a default skin. That's the skin that XBMC will now look for by default. And I also changed the aspect ratio for videos. By default, there's usually black bars at both sides of the video. There's an aspect ratio error correction which overrides the default aspect ratio. I just increased it in the source code so that it would fill the whole box. Now this is masking. Now this image along here is the footer image. This just makes it so that the characters look as if they're standing in the grass, for instance in this skin, and you will see little bits of grass fall down from the sky as if the wind's blowing it, and the video plays in the back, and the icon up the top will pulse. And that's kinda really, well wait. So disable video does exactly that, just disables the videos. Disable animations does just that, disables animations so that all images are static now. So if you don't like the animations, you can turn them off. And it doesn't matter what game pack you use, you can always just select the correct one. So it's not the fastest, it's, well, there's like maybe a second and a half delay between windows. I can't do anything about it because it's just a limitation of XBMC. It wasn't designed to do this, but I made it do it. So yeah, that's it. So it's basically done. I'm basically just refining it just now and waiting for XMugen version 3 to be released so that I can change the Python script to load the appropriate files and put them in the appropriate place. XMugen version 3 is meant to be a lot cleaner looking. Well, folders are a lot cleaner. It's just more organised and easier. So yeah, that's it. So thanks for watching, and hopefully this will be out in maybe a month or so when XMugen version 3 is out. So okay, bye bye.